Hey guys, welcome back. I did it again. I made another Louis Vuitton purchase, so stick around to see what it is that I got. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content, and hit the like button for this video if you want to see more content like it. All right, I did it again. This is actually an SLG unboxing. Louis Vuitton SLG unboxing. It is something in a print that I don't have, and it's in a print that I never thought I would own. So let's just kind of dive right in. I'm a little
nervous about this one.
So, per usual, comes in this awesome LV box. I've learned that they set it in there so that it looks like it's gonna fall out. Pull that out. Pull this out. We've got in here, typically, it's a receipt. Receipt, thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton, return card, all of that business. Let's see. Yeah, okay. So all that's the same in there. Okay, so this one they've actually put in the box. They put the ribbon around it. You just never know what you're actually gonna get in terms of how they package it, I feel like. Maybe that's just me, but you guys have seen multiple unboxings on my channel, and I feel like they have come in all variations of packaged. Sometimes they have the ribbon inside of the box. Sometimes they have it wrapped around the outside. Sometimes it's just in there. I got my desk agenda. Was it my desk agenda? Yeah, the desk agenda came, and it had a dust box, but it wasn't actually in the dust box, so you just never know. But Louis Vuitton, open it up. It's got this cute little dust bag. I think these little SLG dust bags are just the cutest. So, do you have any guesses as to what it is? If you can tell, I'm sure you guys kind of have an idea, but if you don't know the print, you might not guess it. I got the card holder in the reverse monogram print, and it is so much prettier in person. I was not sure I would even like the reverse mono print, but it's gorgeous. So let me tell you about this. I was on the website last week sometime, and I had been thinking about getting a card holder. I didn't know what print I wanted. I had gone to the boutique and talked to Brittany here at the local LV boutique, and she had a few that were the monogram in the fuchsia color. And I was like, okay, do you have any in the regular, like the Armagnac, I think is how it's called, Armagnac, whatever. And she's like, we don't have any of those in store. I can order one. I was like, well, I'm not sure I want to get one today. I didn't even ask or look to see if they had the reverse monogram in anything, But regardless, I added it to my wish list online, and I don't know. I just like click around on the website a lot, and I just happened one morning to see that the reverse mono card holder was in stock, which is not a like typical thing really that any of them are in stock. I don't even know if any of the other ones are in stock right now. Damier Bean is in stock right now. The monogram empreinte leather, and that was one that I definitely like thought about getting in the black, and that's in stock. The Mist and the Rose Poudre are both out of stock, and those are really, really beautiful. And then let's see, monogram canvas. It looks like the monogram fuchsia is back in stock. It looks like the monogram Armagnac is back in stock. Like everything's back, but I'm really loving this because it's just different than anything else I have. And the epi leather, it looks like that's out of stock, and the rose, and all of them, the rose pondicherry, yellow citron, and black are all out of stock in the epi. I wonder if they're even going to bring those back in because those don't seem like they're that popular. Regardless, the monogram reverse canvas is also in stock right now. So I just think that this is such a cute little piece. I've been wanting the card holder, so it was available online. I clicked it, put it in my cart, and bought it. And then interestingly enough, over this past week, it has not been available online at all. So I was super excited to get my hands on it. Now it's back in stock, and now I'm kind of like, oh, so like anybody can get it now. But go get it. I have seen multiple YouTubers that have this, some Instagrammers, whatever. I just thought it was be so perfect for like small purses. So let's just kind of go over the features. It is $215. The canvas ones are, but when you talk the Monogram, the Empreinte leather ones, those are $390. So quite a substantial difference, but that makes sense. It's a lot of leather. Oh, okay. So I literally just clicked away from it and clicked back to the Monogram reverse canvas, and it says it's out of stock. So people either bought it or it just never really was in stock. So these things move fast. So if you want one, go like stalk the website. So this one's out of stock. So this one is $215, as is the Monogram canvas with the fuchsia and the Armagnac. So that's the brown. I'll try to put pictures of those in here so that you can see what I'm talking about. The features, it is a 4.33 inches by 2.76 inches by 0.2 inches. It's really, really thin. Can you see that? It's really thin. It has the reverse Monogram canvas here and the reverse Monogram canvas on the inside, one on this side, and then the regular Monogram and the regular Monogram there. It's cowhide leather lining. So the inside is the cowhide leather lining. This says an interior slot that holds bigger cards and receipts. So right here, and then also 2 outside slots hold credit cards, transport cards, and more. So essentially what you see is what you get. It's a card holder that has a pocket here, and then you have this interior pocket. Now, with this one in the interior, you have the textile cards. The item number is M as in mom 69161. And if I can get that to focus in, you can see, no, but right there, barely you can see, it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. So this was a made in France piece. That's cool. I'm not really like a stickler for any of that, but I was just looking around. All the resin looks really good. It's not sticky. It's not peeling or anything. So I'm looking all around the edges to make sure that's all good. And then the top all looks good. It's all stitched together nicely. I don't see any stitches that are popping. That's it. That's the piece. That's the piece that I purchased kind of on a whim, kind of not. I've had my eye on it. So I would like to do comparisons of this and what it can hold to some of my other wallets. So stay tuned for that, and I'll show you kind of the difference of what all it can hold, what it can fit in, which obviously this can fit like anything. But I hope you guys enjoyed that, this small SLG unboxing. Isn't this just the cutest little dust bag? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye. Test, test, test. 1, 2. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. So the inside is the cowhide orders, because I want to get all the info for it. I'm going to okay, so this one they have actually let me go back to, whoops,